With the support of the Jamaica government, we have gotten some extra funds, welcome funds I must say, to assist with bulky waste cleanup across the town centres of our country. At least a town or 2 towns in each parish. By the time we are through, we'll complete 105 towns, and it's in every parish. We're spending somewhere in the region of about $60 million on the bulky waste cleanup. We're giving you the cleanest Christmas ever. The operation is going so well. So well. We are moving out tons and tons of debris. We are seeing old fridge, old mattresses. There's so much dump sites that we're uncovering. Some areas we were passing and didn't even know a dump site was there. People keep pointing out, the residents keep referring us, like this Barracks Road area here, where we expect to move, for example, 20 loads, we end up moving 40 loads. Areas that we went to and thought that one day would have been sufficient, we end up doing 3 days, like in Spanish Town. We have several trucks, we have our crane truck out, lifting up old cars and the heavier stuff. We have a backhoe down there, we're cleaning drains, we're picking up plastic bottles, we're doing every little thing. All in the name of making the place clean, not just for Christmas, but beyond. I want to use the opportunity to thank the residents though for the cooperation, and they have been giving us the information and they have been helping us to locate these sites and to clean them up.
I'm so glad for this because the school is right there and the garbage were all thrown here. I'm quite grateful to see what's going on.
The community look away and now it look better. I like the fact that they do some work and make the place look nice and lighter too.
Well done, because it needs clean. We need it because it's good for the environment. Less mosquito, less rats, and yeah man, me like what the council are doing and the MPs. Yeah, that's a very good step.